Animating non-human images is a real challenge for any AI image-to-video software. However, with Hedra AI, we can overcome this challenge and make any image speak or sing with proper lip sync. In this tutorial, I will show you how I generated a completely new Avatar movie trailer using Hedra AI and Canva AI. And by the way, Hedra AI is giving unlimited free video generation right now as they are in their beta version, so make the best out of this software now.
Step 1, sign in to Hedra.com. Go to Hedra.com and sign in. Sign in with your Gmail or email account. Accept all the terms and conditions. Okay, now since I'm in, let's go to try with option. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Okay, there are three options. Here, first I'll have to upload the audio or generate an audio out of words. Well, I have the audio ready, which I have generated from 11 Labs. So I'm just going to drag and drop that. Now, you can play and check.
Lyria, you worry too much.
Okay, if that sounds good, go to this upload section. Agree? Continue. Here I'll be uploading the character. I'll take this image. Here are some settings. You can remove auto crop and then generate video. If you like the video, you can download it. Now once your video is generated, it will be added here once you download from here. Now from here in the library at the bottom, you will have to go to these three dots and then download it. Like this, I'll be taking the next audio. So I'll delete it. I'll go to import audio option and here I will take this audio. You might skip this prompt option. You can straight away go to generate video option. Now here is a problem. All these videos which are getting generated is having only 1:1 ratio. But I need widescreen ratio, right? So in the next part, I'm going to show you how to overcome this barrier and create a movie in widescreen ratio or whichever ratio you want to. So stay tuned and let's wait for a while. Now this video is also ready. It has come here. You can go to these three dots and download. Finally, I will take two more audios and I will create these videos and then I will fast forward to the next part. Okay, so you can see all my videos are ready. Now, let us move forward to the next part where we will be resizing these videos. But let me mention one thing. Hedra is a very new software. It's in its beta phase. That's the reason it is giving unlimited video generation for free. So make the best out of this time so that you can create a complete channel out of it, a story-based channel or a filmmaking channel. Do let me know which channel you're planning for. But one drawback of this software as of now is the resolution. The resolution is 512 into 512. Therefore, if you want to increase the resolution of this video, I would strongly suggest you to go to the description once you finish watching this video and go for the Kitpo Video Enhancer tutorial. With that, let us move forward to part 2. Next, come to Canva and go to this video option. You can have a Canva free account, but I would suggest you to go for Canva Pro trial version, 1 month absolutely free. The link will be given in the description. Go to this upload section straight away. Go to upload files option and upload the original file, the image files. Okay. So now what I will do, see properly. Take the files, okay, one by one. Now go to edit image option, keeping the image selected. Now this is a PNG file. We will have to make it MP4. Okay. So check properly. Select it, go to edit photo option and here we have one option called magic grab. We'll go there and we'll grab this figure. Okay, it is highlighting, select it. then grab. Don't forget, don't go to edit image right away. Okay, grab first. Just wait for a while. Okay, my subject is grabbed. Now I will delete this subject. Don't bother. I will tell you why am I doing this crazy stuff. Right click on the background and set the background. Okay, at times when you will be setting the background, it might take the figure back. You will have to do the process once again. Okay, right now it did not do that, but that bug is still there in Canva. Okay, now select it, go to edit photo option and take some nice filter from here, fresco or benevolent. I like fresco, so I'll stick to fresco, or Capri also might work. Okay, now see properly, go back, go to animation and give zoom out animation. The button you have zoom out animation, right? So give zoom out animation. Okay, you can change the timing also. You can increase it. Okay, then you can check how is it looking. Share it from here. Download, either you download one by one or you can download all together. This image, again same way, select it, go to this magic grab option, go to grab. Then I will delete this, right click and set it as background. Okay, now I will take a Capri filter, zoom out animation. This is again, I will keep 17 seconds. Okay, if I keep apply to all pages, it will automatically apply to all the pages. Okay, now I will take third option like this. I'll fast forward now. I'll do the other two images, this one and this one. Okay, now once all are done, tick this, check this, download pages as separate files. Okay, and just uncheck this. Check all except the first page, as I actually downloaded this before. So done and download. I have taken all the videos in Filmora by going to this upload media option. You may use any other software. Okay, no problem. Now first thing what you'll have to do is, you'll have to bring the background of the first slide at the A roll. Now you will have to go to this top left hand side corner of timeline and add a video track like I have added. Now you'll have to get the first clip. Okay, now you bring it on the B roll, little short. Then in that case, double click on this or go to these three dots, edit option, or if you're using Filmora 13, it should appear in the right hand side box. Go to speed and reduce it a little bit. Okay, now double click on the first clip. Okay, either you may keep it like this, but it is a little bit glitchy. So what you'll do, you will select this, go to these three dots or this edit option, go to AI tools option and keep this AI portrait toggle on. So the background is removed. Okay, now you can increase the size. Now the problem is this one, for this Hydra watermark. If you don't like it, go to effects section, go to video effects and here type mosaic. Okay, so take that, make it small, put it on this as narrow as possible. Now it is looking really weird. So go to this, keeping this mosaic selected, go to this edit option. Now here there are so many mosaics. Check which one is giving least effect. Okay, on the picture. So I think this one is better. Or okay, now you just make sure it is spreaded all over the clip. Now play.
Theron, you have such potential.
Now see, there is some glitch. So what I'll do, I will go to this, I'll select this clip, go to these three dots, and here I will increase the sides little bit and increase the edge thickness and edge feathering, so that it kind of blends with the background. If you want to give any further effects, go to effects section. You have different recommended effects also. If you want, you can give that effect. Another thing which I'm going to show you is right click if you want to give a nice CC or subtitle, because this sort of videos go really well with subtitle. So right click on any clip. Okay, go to speech to video option. Here entire timeline. Okay, and then okay, and then it will create this transcript for you. Okay, now it is done, completed. Now close it. Now see, it has come in the form of this sky blue button. So go here and then you can select any of the clips, go to preset and check the preset. Okay, take any preset you want. There are two types of preset. One is preset, one is bordered. If you want, you can take bordered also, whichever stands out. For me, this stands out, so I'll just increase the size a little bit. Okay, now once it is satisfactory, just apply to all. Okay, that way it will be applied to all the slides and save it. Okay, once everything is done, go to this export option, give a name, select the directory where you want to save and keep the higher resolution selected and export it. And after all this is the final result.
Theron, you have such potential. I can see greatness within you. Stay close to me and I promise you'll see wonders beyond your dreams. Look around, Theron. All of this could be yours. Power, wealth, influence, and my affection.
Your Majesty, your words honor me. I've never imagined a life like this. Your beauty is mesmerizing. I feel alive in your presence. I'm beginning to see it now. The future you paint is vivid and thrilling.
Theron, do you trust me? Believe me when I say that Lyria is holding you back. Let go of the doubts she plants in your mind. Embrace the destiny we can create together. Stay with me, love me, and we will ascend to heights unimaginable.
With my life, Your Majesty, you're right. I need to move forward, not be anchored to the past. I'm ready to stand with you to face whatever comes our way. I will follow you anywhere, Alara. My heart, my soul, my everything belongs to you.
Theron, you've been spending a lot of time with Queen Alara lately. Is everything all right? Theron, I saw Alara's true face today. She's manipulating you.
Lyria, you worry too much. Alara just sees potential in me, that's all. You're mistaken, Lyria. Alara wants what's best for our society.
Theron, please. For the sake of our love, listen to me. Alara is dangerous. Theron, if you go through with this, our society will fall.
I am listening, but all I hear is jealousy and fear. I've made my choice, Lyria. I hope one day you'll understand.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.wagpaymedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.